If you're living in India and want to start a business without spending a lot of money, then these top 5 low-investment business ideas are perfect for beginners. The first idea is a home-based tiffin and meal service. In cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, Hyderabad, and Bangalore, thousands of students and office workers depend on homemade, hygienic food. With just your kitchen, basic groceries, and a simple delivery system, you can start earning from day one. You can offer daily meals, weekly meal plans, lunch boxes, or even specialize in healthy diet food depending on your target customers. The demand is huge, and your business can grow rapidly through word of mouth and social media. The second idea is online reselling through platforms like Meesho, Amazon, Flipkart, Instagram, and WhatsApp groups. You don't need to keep any stock. You simply find suppliers, upload product pictures, take orders, and the supplier ships directly to your customers. You can sell clothing, home decor, jewelry, kids items, cosmetics, or trending accessories. This business has almost zero risk and is extremely popular among students, homemakers, and part-time earners in India. The third idea is starting a digital freelancing career. Even if you don't have technical skills, you can learn high-demand services like graphic design, video editing, social media management, website building, AI content creation, or copywriting through free YouTube tutorials. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and LinkedIn make it easy to get clients from across India and the world. All you need is a smartphone or laptop, and your earning potential increases as you gain more experience and build a portfolio. The fourth idea is print on demand, which is ideal if you want to start an online store with low investment. You can create custom designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, pillows, diaries, phone cases, and more. Once a customer places an order, the supplier prints and ships the product directly. You don't need to maintain inventory, and you don't need a large setup. This business works very well on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Instagram, and Redbubble. And finally, the fifth idea is online coaching or teaching. If you have knowledge or skills, whether it's academic teaching, spoken English, fitness training, music, dance, cooking, yoga, or even computer basics, you can teach online using Zoom, Google Meet, or even WhatsApp. Millions of parents, students, and professionals in India now prefer online classes because they are flexible and affordable. This business has almost zero investment and unlimited scaling potential. These were the top 5 low-investment business ideas in India that anyone can start from home. If you choose even one of these ideas and stay consistent for a few months, you can build a strong, profitable business that grows with time,